Gang, welcome back to our channel. Manic, say hi. She acting shy. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed our little tour of this park, Pioneer Park in Fairbanks, Alaska. It's like a little town. This is so nice. Like, I can't wait till everything goes over, cause this is so nice. Y'all see, look at the building. Look, they on boats. Let's zoom in for y'all. Y'all see them? Come on. Look, Chris. This is nice, y'all. This is nice. I can't wait till everything open back up. Let's go this way. Chris, you enjoy being at the house? Look, they go train. It look a little creepy looking because nothing's open, but y'all, this is nice. This is nice. A railroad museum. Chris would like that. Let me show y'all. Y'all see it? Railroad museum. Come on, Chris. And it keeps going, y'all. It keeps going. You see the train? Look. Wow. Can you see it? Look up here. Stop. Look. Look at these. Look at them. Yeah. And look at the other one. Look at the big one. You like that? You like that? Come on. Yeah, train. Come on. Say bye-bye. Come on. Come on. Y'all, I'm honestly don't see how people think this place is boring. It's so much to do. What you think, It's a lot to do here?
Yes.
Yeah. It's so much to do. Just imagine if everything was open. It's so much to do. So much to do. Look at the train tracks. This is from the museum that we were just in. Another playground. Y'all look, I finally see one. One of those take a book, leave a book thing. Next to the school. Y'all see? School. You take a book, you leave a book. That's pretty cool, and it smells like books too. That's pretty cool. Come on. I guess you could go in when it's open. They say it's closed. Y'all let me know down below if y'all want me to come back when everything blows over, which I'm gonna do anyway. But let me know if you want to see this park again, cause this is nice. This is really nice. Let's walk this way. What? You getting out the house, girl? You hanging back there? Come on. Tiring them out. Gonna tire them out. But yeah, this is a nice park. I should have went and got something to eat before I came here. And we could have been eating in a park. But it's a nice little spot. Okay, so that was Pioneer Park. Chris, look, that was Pioneer Park. I think I'm gonna head to one more place before we get something to eat and call it a day. You know, so that was fun. It's hot, but it was fun. Did you like that part?
Yeah.
She tired. Oh, once again, we're trying to get it. Pioneer Park. We're gonna head to our next location. See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I made it to my destination. As y'all can see, he woke. She's asleep. So I got the perfect place where I can keep them in the car and watch them, and I can show y'all what I wanted to show y'all. So I came, let me turn the car off. So I came to my school because if y'all saw during Vlogmas, it was just like the views was just, it was just awesome. Very, very awesome. So I want to show y'all during the summertime. So peaceful, right? Very, very peaceful. Peaceful. So yeah, hold on, that's a thumbnail, y'all. So I'm gonna go take some pictures. And like, if y'all want to see those pictures, go and follow me on Instagram. But yeah, I don't know why people say they hate Alaska, but then again, people say they hated Hawaii. Y'all want to hear that story? Let me know down below. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it. So I hope everyone is having a good Mother's Day. Mothers to be, stepmothers, adoptive mothers, any type of mother you are. I hope you're having a blessed day. And until next time, here is Gang. Bye.